Oil rises on potentialities of much less aggressive U.S. charge hike. Singapore oil prices rose on Friday amid prospects of a much less aggressive U.S. fee hike, although concerns approximately a recovery in demand capped gains. Brent crude futures for September transport rose $1.25, or 1.3%, to $100.35 a barrel by means of 0300 GMT, even as WTI crude rose 90 cents, or 0.9%, to $96.68 a barrel. Oil is trading very much to the beat of Federal Reserve policy and the results it could have on each demand destruction and the U.S. greenback, stated Stephen Innes, handling accomplice at SPI Asset Management. With the market falling lower back to base case 75 basis factor hike subsequent week versus 100 basis factor the day before today, oil expenses and the broader marketplace have a little greater breathing room today, Innes mentioned. The Fed's most hawkish policymakers on Thursday stated they favored another 75 basis point interest price boom on the U.S. Imperative Financial Institutions Coverage Assembly this month, no longer the bigger rate increase that buyers had raced to rate in after a report Wednesday confirmed inflation become accelerating. The fee hike uncertainty and weak economic information driven each oil contracts to lows on Thursday, which have been below the close on February 23, the day before Russia invaded Ukraine in what Moscow calls a special military operation. Still, each Brent and WTI had clawed lower back nearly all losses by using the give-up of the trading session. However, issues about the outlook for demand endured to hold a lid on oil fees. Sentiment hasn't been helped via renewed COVID-19 outbreaks in China, which threaten to halt the healing in call for. High prices additionally appear to have blunted demand for gas within the U.S., ANZ research analysts stated. China's refinery throughput in June shrank almost 10% from a year earlier, with output for the first half of the year down 6% in the first annual decline for the period since at the least 2011, facts showed on Friday. Meanwhile, U.S. President Joe Biden will on Friday fly to Saudi Arabia, where he will attend a summit of Gulf allies and phone for them to pump more oil. However, spare potential at individuals of the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries is walking low, with maximum producers pumping at maximum capability, and it's far uncertain how an awful lot more Saudi Arabia can carry into the marketplace fast.